Make a great choice today with the 2008 SX4. The SX4 is indeed reasonably sporty when equipped with a manual transmission. It offers versatility and even looks like a stylish mini SUV. It's good for all seasons as it comes standard with an effective all-wheel drive system and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.